Welcome back to News Ramp Health, Fitness and Wellness for Tuesday afternoon, January 6, 2026. As always, real news stories with AI narration. Visit newsramp.com for the full articles. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Here we go.
Biomed News breaks. TransCode Therapeutics Inc. publishes preclinical data supporting TTX-MC138 for glioblastoma. TransCode Therapeutics announced the publication of preclinical research supporting TTX-MC138 for glioblastoma, showing increased tumor cell apoptosis and improved survival. This validates their TTX delivery platform and potential clinical advancement. TTX-NC138 targets metastatic tumors overexpressing microRNA-10B. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. BiomedWire is a communications platform focusing on biotech, biomed, and life sciences sectors, providing access to various wire solutions for reaching target markets.
Investor news breaks. Tonix Pharmaceutical Holding Corp. to present at January investor conferences. Tonix Pharmaceutical Holding Corp. will present at the Sachs Associates 9th Annual Neuroscience Innovation Forum and Biotech Showcase 2026 in San Francisco. President and CEO Suf Letterman, Meters.ed, will discuss neuropsychiatric drug development at the forum and present at Biotech Showcase 2026 with a replay available on the company's website. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
GeoVax Labs Inc. to review progress and strategic priorities during Biotech Showcase 2026 and J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference Week. GeoVax Labs Inc. will participate in the Biotech Showcase 2026 and J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference Week to discuss their 2025 achievements, clinical pipeline progress, and strategic priorities for 2026. The company will highlight key clinical catalysts, regulatory milestones, and business development initiatives, including programs for COVID-19, solid tumors, and infectious diseases. GeoVax's chairman and CEO David Dodd will present on January 13, 2026 at 2:30 p.m. PT in San Francisco, CA.
BioCorRx announces appointment of Louis Lucido as board chair. BioCorRx enclosed the appointment of Louis Lucido as the new chair of the board of directors, effective January 1, 2026. This change reflects a planned leadership transition within the company. Kent Emery will continue as an independent director, ensuring continuity. Mr. Lucido, who has been a member of the board since 2019, brings extensive experience to the role, having served as president since 2024 and chair for other organizations.
Lifespring Chiropractic wells as demand surges for Austin's nervous system-focused care. Lifespring Chiropractic in Austin welcomes Dr. Sean Lai to meet soaring demand for its nervous system-focused care. Known for its non-traditional, neurologic approach, Lifespring's patient referrals have surged. Families report lasting improvements like better sleep, anxiety relief, and enhanced immunity. Dr. Sean left high-volume chiropractic for Lifespring's intentional, coherent model. The practice is expanding its clinical team to sustain long-term growth, prioritizing values-driven hiring.
Silicon Valley Hair Institute announces new content for popular hair transplant topics. Silicon Valley Hair Institute introduces new blog content focusing on various hair transplant topics, aiming to educate the Bay Area community on the intricacies of hair loss and solutions. Dr. Miguel Canales emphasizes the importance of addressing specific issues surrounding hair loss, catering to both men and women. The clinic offers services such as AI robotic hair transplant surgery, transgender hair transplantation, and beard transplantation, among others, to help individuals combat thinning hair.
Collaborative Bridges releases issue paper detailing how Illinois is protecting behavioral health amid federal cuts. Collaborative Bridges has released the Bridging the Gaps issue paper detailing Illinois' efforts to protect behavioral health amidst federal cuts, with proposed reductions exceeding $1 trillion. The paper highlights Illinois' healthcare transformation collaboratives as a solution. Executive Director Patrick Dombrowski emphasizes the need for clarity and urgency in preserving access to care. The paper showcases collaborative bridges' success in reducing psychiatric readmission rates and saving Medicaid costs. Access the paper for free at www.collaborativebridges.org. Ourian Plastic Surgery in Beverly Hills announces multifaceted content for breast surgery. Ourian Plastic Surgery of Beverly Hills announces new content focusing on breast surgery options. Dr. Ourian, a double-board certified plastic surgeon, aims to address discomfort, self-confidence issues, and physical limitations for women. The clinic offers consultations for procedures like breast lifts, reductions, and reconstructions. Details can be found on their website. With breast surgeries on the rise, residents in Los Angeles can plan for a transformative 2026 with expert support from Ourian Plastic Surgery.
Okay, thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.